Moms always said homies never gave a fuck, but she never did understand the meaning of homie love. How many homies you got that are down to ride with you? When shit pops off, they're right on the side of you and doing whatever they can to help you survive, and watching your back and trying to keep you alive with their 45. I gotta give it up to my homeboy Short Dog, a motherfucker that's down to ride till the wheels fall off. Hey homie, anytime, whatever you need, anything I could give you, money, straps, or weed. Or if you just need a homie that's down to ride, I ain't asking no questions, let's bust this homicide tonight. Remember the time when I got locked up, sitting in the glass house thinking I was stuck? I picked up the phone and I called you up. You put down 2 G's to bail me out, now that's love. If it wasn't for you, I'd probably be in the pen. I'm level 3 with the homies doing 8 to 10, but I was called for release the very next day from the Alley County Jail. I was on my way. Man, much love, you know I got it. I got love, I gotta show it. Much love, I can't forget it. Homie love, that's right. Much love, I gotta get it. I got love, I gotta get it. Much love, I always had it. Family love, that's right. Tweet, another OG. I'll never ever forget the things that you did for me. I got much love, homie. You helped me out when I needed a place to stay. You let me sleep on the couch. In silent, another homie that's been down. Every time I go to the hood, I see you around, just rolling around, trying to catch these clowns that creep to the end of the hood and try to cross us out. Into your brother and loving memory of Crow, homie, rest in peace. I'm not gonna stop, the hood don't cease. He was the main one that showed me what homie love was all about. So I got into the hood and I refused to let him down. So I'm doing my part in this everyday game. It was never peer pressure, mom, I'm the one to blame. I've been through a lot of phases in my life, but this gang mentality inside of me was waiting to rise. Much love, you know I got it. I got love, I gotta show it. Much love, I can't forget it. Homie love, that's right. Much love, I gotta get it. I got love, I gotta get it. Much love, I always had it. Family love, that's right. To my one and only sister, damn I really miss her. I wish I could go to the house, give her a hug and kiss her. Just watch TV, lounging on the couch, toking up a gang of weed, having a smoke out. And to my brother-in-law, homie, you showed me it all. What kind of straps I should pack, trying to keep me from the law. I got much love, homie, you showed me a lot, and you were the one that introduced me into this spot. Every time I see a picture of my nephew and my nieces, I can't hold it in and tears me down to pieces. Cause I used to be at the house like every day. I used to hear, Uncle Robert, can you take me out to play? And my little ass nephew, he's nutty as fuck, running around the whole house with his Tonka trucks. And these are just a few thoughts of the millions that I think about. I got much love, so I'm sending it out. Much love, you know I got it. I got love, I gotta show it. Much love, I can't forget it. Homie love, that's right. Much love, I gotta get it. I got love, I gotta get it. Much love, I always had it. Family love, that's right. To the homies in my family that I didn't mention in this rhyme, I don't forget, so don't trip. You know I got you next time. Moms, you know I love you. Huey, you know what you've been doing for me. Man, Tokes, what about you, dog? Helping me out, going through this little struggle. This is Big Jim, you know what's up. Mousy, I haven't forgot on me. Shit, you're one of the main reasons why I'm out here, dog. Alibi, that's all I know.